Isn't this so, I think this is so cool. Right. It's unbelievably cool. To do the train trip at this hour with the light and the whole thing, I mean, it makes you feel like it's such a creative mood, like to take pictures, to do stuff.
We'll get there. We have to just...
Look at the Great Wall over here, man. Look at it. Ah. Ah. So many of the friendships that Andy had, the people didn't necessarily pursue Andy Warhol. You know, some people wanted to be around Warhol and others didn't care or didn't know. And I was one of those people that didn't know. In the 80s, I wasn't thinking about hanging around with artists at the time.
Did you and Andy collaborate as we have and are?
Oh yeah, you know, the work that we did, you know, the Altered Image series was a really tight collaboration where we worked together and decided together which pictures. And we
did you travel a lot together?
We traveled a lot, and then a lot of the German stuff by the industrialist families commissioning portraits, going to Paris or to Germany. I took the pictures, and Andy made silkscreen from them.
Now this is great here.
Yeah, but this
Great
isn't bad
everywhere.
here too. Look at this. Check this out.